The trigger law in Texas banning all abortions would not officially take effect until after the high court judgment is issued, which follows today's opinion. But the state had a law banning the vast majority of abortions, and clinics are officially ceasing what little services they were still providing. Fox 4's Blake Hansen picks up our coverage from there. Blake.
Yeah, Heather, what is clear tonight is that abortion will soon be illegal in Texas. Some Republicans are arguing that it already is illegal, but even the state's Republican Attorney General is sending mixed messages. The seismic shift out of the Supreme Court has led to uneven footing in the state of Texas. Now, with a lack of legal clarity, providers are halting abortions.
That we must pause abortion services at our separate organizations while our legal teams continue to review today's devastating ruling.
And to protect our patients from the hostile elected officials in Texas, we have ceased providing abortion care today.
The Supreme Court ruling sends the issue back to the states, where Republican leaders in Texas had already prepared for Roe's demise.
Now that question returns to being decided where it was for the first 185 years of our nation's history, being decided by elected legislatures to reflect the views and values of the people.
Last year, lawmakers passed a so-called trigger law that bans essentially all abortions with no exception for rape or incest. It kicks in 30 days after the Supreme Court issues its judgment on the matter, usually a month after the opinion. But Attorney General Ken Paxton issued an advisory saying while abortion will soon be clearly illegal in Texas, some prosecutors may choose to immediately pursue criminal prosecutions based on old laws on the books before Roe v. Wade. Whole Woman's Health, with clinics in McKinney and Fort Worth, says it disagrees with Paxton. It may still reopen before the trigger law kicks in.
People are requesting that we keep them on waiting lists in case we are able to reopen once we have a clear definition of what laws are in effect and enforceable and when.
Even if illegal, some district attorneys in Texas are vowing not to prosecute abortions. Democratic Dallas County District Attorney John Creuzot writing, "I want women across Texas, and especially here in Dallas County, to rest assured that my office will not stand in the way of them seeking the health care they need. But to find a provider of an abortion, Texans will likely have to travel if they have the means." Nearby, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas also have trigger laws. New Mexico and Colorado do not, leaving the future of abortion to a state-by-state approach.
And they'll vary state by state, reflecting the values and mores of the citizens. And if you disagree with the particular rules where you live, you can engage in the democratic process and argue for what you think's right.
While we shared Creuzot's comments, his counterpart in Tarrant County, DA Sharon Wilson, shared a statement this evening saying that her office will continue to follow Texas law. Heather?
All right, Blake, thank you.